subscribe Manadusuku. Please subscribe Manadusuku.
Hello friends, in this tutorial let's learn some modification tools. Right now we are in floor plans level 1. Draw some walls. Draw one horizontal wall and draw vertical wall. In the menu bar we have modify button. Click the modify button. Then we have some commands: move, copy, rotate, mirror, trim, offset. So select one command. Let's select copy command. Click on copy command. Then select the wall, enter. For base point, click on corner of the wall and move the wall in required direction. Type the distance and enter. Otherwise, without going to modify button, first select the wall, then select the copy command and choose the base point and type the distance, enter, like that. So let's go to next command. Select the wall, select the move command, choose the base point, type the distance and enter. Object will move. Similarly, select the wall and select rotate command. First let's place some doors. Doors and walls. In the previous class we have learned how to place. Okay. So let's apply copy and move command in door also. If we try to copy the doors, it will copy only in the same wall. It will not copy to other walls. Only in the same wall you can copy the doors. You cannot copy the door into other wall. Again you have to use door command and place in other wall. Okay. To use move command, you can move the door only in the same wall. You cannot move the door into another wall. Okay. Now let's know about rotate command. Select the walls, select the rotate command. So center of rotation right now is the center of the wall. Let's change the center of rotation to corner of the wall. In the option bar, center of rotation, select place. Click on place button and click corner of the wall. Then click one point and mention the angle. Control Z. Will come again. Select the wall. Select the rotate command. In the option bar, center of rotation, choose place button and click the corner. Click horizontally and enter some angle. Then wall will rotate. We cannot rotate the doors. See, if we try to rotate door, it will not. To rotate it, we have to use space bar. Click on the door and use space bar. Door will flip, but we cannot rotate the doors. Okay, let's go to next commands. I'll draw some walls. Let's learn about trim command. In the modify, trim extend to corner, trim extend to single element, trim or extend multiple elements. Like this, 3 types of trim and extend commands are there. So first let's see trim or extend to corners. In the trim or extend to corners, we have to click the 2 walls. So like that it will trim. Control Z. So which 2 walls you click, that will remain, other side will trim. So like that. The next command, trim or extend single element, only one wall will trim. Selecting the command, click one wall and click another wall. The second wall will trim. The first wall remains same. Control Z. See, let's see trim or extend multiple element. In this command, click on first wall, then click second, third, fourth. Second, third, fourth wall will trim. So like that. Using the same command, we can extend. So like that, walls will extend. Okay. Let's know about next command. see that cross mark is there, that is delete. Click on the wall, click that button, then wall will delete. Let's see mirror command. Mirror two types are there: mirror pick axis, mirror draw axis. To use mirror, let's place some doors. Let's place a door in this wall and place it that wall. So let's decrease the length of the wall. Click in grip of the wall and we can decrease the length like that. So let's use mirror command. Select the door, select mirror, pick draw axis. If you use mirror draw axis, we have to click 2 points. So like that, door will mirror. If you use pick axis, select the door, mirror pick axis, click the center of the wall. So like that, our door will mirror. If you use mirror pick axis, you have to click the wall center, then mirrors like that. Okay, let's go to another command. Select the door, select the wall, select offset command. In the option bar, type the distance, click on the wall, then it offsets like that. Along with the wall, door will also offset. Okay, let's select align command, click wall edge and click door edge, door will move. We have already seen align command at the time of drawing stairs. You can check previous tutorials. Next command, split element. The split element, in the option bar we have option delete inner segment. If delete inner segment is off, by clicking the 2 points, and if delete inner segment is on and click the 2 points. If delete inner segment is on, so like that wall will delete. If delete inner segment is off, it will split but not deletes. If you want to delete, we can click and delete. Split with gap. Split with gap means if wherever you click in the wall, then small amount of gap will be created. So like that I am clicking and let's see 3D view. Small gap we can find. The 3D view, and let's zoom in and see. So like that. That's called gap in segments. Let's go to next command, and we have some buttons called pin and unpin. Pin and unpin means if wall is pinned, we cannot delete or move. Select the wall, click pin button, then wall pins. See, select the wall, click pin button. When wall is pinned, you cannot delete. If you try to delete, one warning will come. In the bottom right corner, we can see warning. First unpin and then we can delete. To unpin, click the wall. So we cannot move also. Select the wall and click unpin button. Then afterwards, you can click the wall and then you can delete the wall or move the wall. When any object is pinned, we cannot delete or move. We have to unpin. So let's go to next command. In the geometry, we have demolish. Using that command, click in the walls. See, we can see like that dotted lines in the walls. If you observe in 3D view also, you can find that. To represent some damaged walls, we can use that command, demolish. So let's go to next command, wall joints. So wall join is used by clicking the wall corners. See, let's draw some walls like this, zigzag walls. And if you click in the wall and observe, the two walls are connected like that. How two walls should connect? That is decided using wall join. Using the wall join command, click in the corner of the wall. Then in the option bar, we can choose butt joint we want or miter joint we want. Suppose in the option bar, if you click miter, so walls will join like that. Diagonally, walls will join if miter is there. So using wall joints, click in every wall corners. You can see default some joint will be there. That joint you can change to miter joint or butt joint by choosing option in the option bar. Okay, let's go to next command. join geometry. See, let's extend this wall. When now walls are intersected, in the geometry use unjoined geometry. When you use unjoined geometry, see, walls will be like that. You can see some intersection lines. When you use joint geometry, so intersections, you will not see any intersections. See, let's see another command as split face. In the geometry select split face and click one surface of the wall and draw your required shape and finish. Now wall is splitted in that shape. So let's repeat once again. Select split space, select the wall face, draw using rectangle and finish. So we can see two rectangle shape, wall is splitted in that shape. So what we shall do means, let's use paint command. In the geometry select paint command. From this list of materials select any material, click in the face of the wall. So like that we can apply different paint for each face. We can split the face in the wall and then apply different paints. Also we can remove the paints also. By clicking remove paint button, we can remove the paints also. So like this we have completed some modification tools. In the ribbon bar we have completed modify and geometry.